To many, this is the best TV show of all time.
It really is.
But to others, it's just the dad from Malcolm in the Middle going on a caravan holiday.
Wrong answer!
Like us, Walt and Co. love cooking.
Come on, Mike, let us cook.
From age-shaped birthday bacon to discarded roof pizza.
Oh man, that's messed up.
To New Mexico's fave criminal front, Los Pollos Hermanos.
May I help you with your order?
It, my friends, is time to cook.
You must really like chicken.
Sir, enjoy your meal.
Thank you. You're late.
Oh, yeah. We're in the big time now. Where's the kingpin?
Your guess is as good as mine.
So you get the dude's name?
Nope.
Gentlemen, is everything to your satisfaction?
Fine, thanks.
This is nothing but an ankle grab.
When making fried chicken, often getting your hands on some chicken is a good place to start.
No shit.
I like to portion up a whole bird as you get better variety and better value, but otherwise grab yourself 1 kilo to 1.5 kilos of skin on, bone in pieces. Brining your chicken first gets it super moist and flavourful. For a really simple but effective brine, cover your chicken in 1 litre of milk. Then we need a lot of kosher salt. 50 grams goes in.
This is too much.
Worry not, friends, the salt is shared with so much liquid, you aren't going to end up with a salty bird.
Thank God.
Peel and smash 5 cloves of garlic. Then throw those in with a tablespoon of peppercorns, 3 bay leaves, and a quartered lemon. Cover and pop in the fridge for at least 4 hours, ideally overnight.
What? What are you...
Now for the spice blend. I'm doing 4 tablespoons of sazon, 2 tablespoons of ground cumin, the same of garlic powder, onion powder, lime powder, and kosher salt, and then 1 tablespoon of black pepper and a tablespoon of hot cayenne pepper. Give that all a good mix and pop it aside. Now for the batter. Take 100 grams of plain flour and mix it with 100 grams of corn flour. This is going to help us to achieve a really crunchy coating on our chicken.
Would that be agreeable?
Mix in about half of the spice mix and then slowly pour in 300 millilitres of water, whisking constantly to prevent lumps. I like to spike my batter with 50 millilitres of tequila.
Hey.
But if you want to make this less sinful, switch out the tequila for extra water.
No, thank you.
Take the remaining half of the spice mix and mix it into 300 grams of plain flour. Working a piece at a time, remove the chicken from the brine, dredge it in the seasoned flour, and then dip it into the wet batter.
But yes, that's what I'm soaking the sponges in.
Make sure you've got no gaps and that the chicken is completely covered. And finally, drop it back into the flour again. You can skip the first flour dunk if you like, but doing it this way you'll get better crunch and juicier meat.
Juicy, bloody fingerprint.
Make sure you don't overlap the chicken because you don't want it to stick together or get soggy.
Such a mess.
Take a large heavy bottom pot and fill it with a neutral oil with a high smoke point, like groundnut or sunflower oil.
Yes, science!
Once it gets up to 180 Celsius, we're ready for frying. Don't overcrowd your pan and keep an eye on the temp of the oil, because you might want to adjust the heat to keep it close to 180.
There's no close in science.
Flip the meat over every couple of minutes so that it cooks evenly and doesn't catch on the bottom of the pan. It's going to take about 10 minutes to cook through. The bigger the piece, the longer it takes. The best way to make sure it's ready is to use a probe thermometer to check the internal temp. As ever, any equipment I'm using is linked in the description box below this video.
I would be happy to refer you to our website.
Once the internal temperature of the chicken hits 75 degrees C, get it out of the oil and onto some kitchen roll on a wire rack.
My man Jesse can cook.
You can keep the chicken warm on a wire rack over a baking tray in an oven that's set to about 50 degrees C.
Queda uno enterado, afortunado. Gracias a Dios, tengo las manos limpias, mi familia y mi voz. La mente libre, salud y cara de mi padre. Alma de león y corazón de mi madre. Esta vida es más difícil de lo que uno piensa.
And that, my fellow cooking enthusiasts, is our take on the infamous bites from Los Pollos Hermanos.
Los Pollos Hermanos. Taste the family.
Now, it's only right to serve up the chicken with curly fries, just as Gus intended.
We are so sure you'll like them. And if you don't, they're on me.
If you enjoyed this video, our passion for watching telly and eating chicken isn't going to take care of itself. So please like, subscribe, and leave us a little drumstick emoji in the comments.
It is the best I've ever seen, hands down.
You can find all our recipes and any equipment used in this video on our website, biteclub.tv. Catch all new episodes of Gobblebox every month here on BCTV.
I'll make a supply run next month.
Remember, the first rule of Bite Club is you talk about Bite Club.